I don't know why they doing that. Don't worry about it. We here for the fireworks. See the fireworks?
After the fireworks come out, we go home.
Yeah, you want to go home?
No. I just want to stay at Detroit, see Granny and stuff.
You want to go see Granny in Detroit?
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese!
We supposed to be hearing music and stuff too.
Huh?
We supposed to be hearing music.
Music for what?
I mean, just music because they supposed to be playing music too. Yeah, we on Woodward. We standing in the middle of the street, checking out the fireworks.
Everybody's on the sidewalk.
Here, hold the camera. Point to the fireworks. Get the fireworks. Make sure you tape them. Move your hand. You getting them? Alright, we downtown Detroit, boy. Me and Alan B doing it real big down in Detroit. You know what I'm saying? On Woodward. Got the fireworks going on in the background and everything. This how we doing it real big. You know what I'm saying? 100. Alright, now you say something. Action, motherfucker, action! Ha ha ha! Cut.
We're up there. What's up there?
That's just fireworks, man. You see them?
Yeah. And I see something in the sky. That's not a bomb. Why the firefighters coming?
It's fire trucks coming.
Why they
I don't know. Hold on, hard! They coming just in case the fireworks blow up too far.
Why the fireworks too far? And why everybody going over there? Hey, why everybody going over there?
Because they want to see it up close. They want to see it up close. We got to stay close to the car.
What car?
Our car.
Oh, they are leaving us.
I know, we finna go.
Uh-oh. No
Hey,
one.
so you had a good time? Did you like it? You like it?
Yeah. Or the good time is the show. People outside of other people. Or
I love you, Alan B.
I love you, Abby.
I love you.